Hi everyone, this is the video number 13 of our ethical hacking using Kali Linux video series, and in previous video we have already understand about methods of footprinting like footprinting through search engines, footprinting through Google operators and footprinting through social networking sites. So we already known about these methods, but today in this video I will show you step by step how to use footprinting practically. So let's get started. So first of all, we will try to get information through search engines. So I will open my Google Chrome browser. In my case, suppose my target is Facebook. Okay, I will target my website. So I will type my website name. Now you can see, first one is my website and second one is my YouTube channel. Then my Instagram account, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Medium, HackerEarth and many accounts. And it's not enough. You can check second, third and fourth page also and can collect more information about your target. Okay. So with this method, you can collect much more information about your target. Now we can also use Bing and Yahoo, but these are similar to Google. And if you want to check it, then as your wish. But now I will show you Shodan search engine. So type here Shodan and open this website. And it is Shodan. For example, now I will target Facebook. So just type your domain name. And now here you can see I can collect many information about the Facebook like server locations, top ports, open ports and different servers of different locations and much more information. And after login you will able to see more features for footprinting. And Shodan, Ehmia and Senses, these are also similar search engines. If you want to try it, then you can check one by one. Now our next search engine is Not Evil. Not Evil is an online search engine and you can use it only on Tor browser because on this search engine you will get hidden websites of internet. Means we can say using Not Evil we can surf hidden websites or de-indexed websites. So first of all I will open my Tor browser. If you have not installed Tor browser, then you can watch our previous video or I will give you the link of that video in the description. Now to start Tor browser, just click on connect and wait for few seconds. And now you can use your Tor browser. But sorry everyone, I can't show you this process because of YouTube policy. But don't worry, I will provide you this video. So if you are interested, then subscribe this channel for getting update. Now our next method is footprinting through Google operators. You can use these operators in Google to getting accurate information. You just need to write this operator in search bar, then type your keyword or domain name. You can do it by yourself because I don't want to make you lazy by making a long video. So our next method is collecting information through social networking sites. You can also collect the information of your target by social accounts. For example, I will open Facebook website and suppose my target is Facebook. Okay, not Facebook, Microsoft. So I will search Microsoft and open the Facebook page of Microsoft. Now we can check and collect information of Microsoft. Like about Microsoft, how much people are following and official contact number and what's about the company. And we can check more information about Microsoft like comments are there. For example, I will gather some information about this account. Like we can check who is she and also about study and qualifications, where she living and is she single or not, and how much people following and hobbies and much more information. So these all are some methods you can collect information about your target. So if you want to ask any question, then you can paste your question in comment section. Otherwise hit the like button and subscribe this channel. And thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next video.